Hello, welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to follow someone on Duolingo. First, open Duolingo on your device. Then click the three-dot button in your bottom right corner and click Profile. Here, click Add Friends button. And here choose Search by Name. And here in the search field, type your friend's username. And click Search button. When the profile appears, you just need to tap on it. And on their profile page, tap the Follow button. As you can see, we have followed our friend. That's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you later. Bye bye.